happy Monday. Well, it's a Monday. I don't know if it's happy.
It is a Monday.
It definitely didn't start off happy for me. I was stuck in traffic all day, or all morning. Didn't get to work until well after I should have. It's like the second week in a row that there's been an accident on the 290. I just don't understand why people can't just learn how to drive properly. Anyways, besides the point. So today is the 4th? Yeah. It is the 4th of December. And unfortunately, we are off to go grocery shopping because we did not do so this weekend. We were slackers in the grocery shopping department. Not in other departments because we did a lot of other things, but did not go grocery shopping this weekend. So we're gonna grab some dinner at the store, which might sound weird, but they have a really good prepared food section. They also have really good subs. They have good sushi, and the grocery store is Wegmans, in case anybody wanted to know. Because they're meandering. They're meandering
spreading
down the East Coast here. So not everywhere, of course, but they're predominantly in New York State. They started in Pittsford, I think is where they're. Pittsford. Yes. So
you said Pittsburgh. I was like, that's not in New York State.
Pittsford, New York, Central New York, correct. Actually, it's more near Rochester, right? So
it's centrally westerny.
Centrally westerny.
Yeah.
You heard it here first, folks. Rochester is now in centrally westerly New York. Anyways, well, off to the grocery store we go.
Yay.
Huzzah! And we decided on sushi tonight. Yeah. You know, no big deal.
Foam rolling and
Polar Express. The art of foam rolling is not exactly glamorous, but I'm going to have, after I'm done, one of my leftover cookies from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party.
The last 2 left?
Yep. Danny ate all of his already. Do I want snickerdoodle or do I want frosted gingerbread?
Yes.
I mean, you can't go wrong with either one, so. It'll be one or the other. It might be an eeny, meeny, miny, mo type deal. You never know.
You never know.
It's been a boring Monday. Recovery Monday, we'll put it that way. Because my whoop said my recovery was not very good last night with sleep, so probably should try to get some sleep early tonight. I was going to say, nobody can see what you're doing behind the camera, Dan. He's sitting there putting his thumb up to me, but not to the camera. Good stuff. It is tea time, and we are going to have some peppermint cheer tonight. All right, while our tea steeps, we're going to get to the advent calendars now.
Advent. You like the Wash Me Whip Nay Nay a little bit?
I don't even remember how to do it.
Don't worry about it.
No, I was like,
that's a dab. You're moving on.
Nah! I'm not cool anyways, whatever. Ta-da!
Yay! 4th.
The 4th. May the 4th of December be with you.
Maybe.
Oh, it's Mom. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
She gonna be tough to get out too? Probably. There. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, there we go.
Alright. Nice.
Alright, which one are you doing first? Walkers?
Yeah, we'll do the short spreads.
Try to keep it together, man.
4. Yeah, like look for the lines here, so go all crazy. It's shortbread.
Ooh, what kind is that though?
I don't know.
Let's take a look to see in the back if they have what's in there. Aha! Alright. We have chocolate chip, thistle rounds, caramel shortbread square.
Probably.
That's probably what that is.
It looks caramelly.
Cause
Hearts, star, fingers. Yeah. See, there's stars in there. Someone put a heart in the star.
unbelievable.
Unbelievable. What we got here?
Audrey.
Oh no!
Jeez.
She came in like a wrecking ball.
Just fling Audrey on the ground, why don't you? She probably won't feel it though, because she's frozen from the neck down.
Yeah. We're just gonna
Or
have
the
a
waist
sleepover.
down. Oh, they're sleeping.
Sleepover.
How nice. You don't want to try to stand them up anymore?
No.
Oh. Alright, everyone. We're going to end our recovery Monday night with our tea and try to get some sleep.
Sure.
Sure.
Finish watching Polar Express first.
Yeah, we're gonna finish watching Polar Express. Edit the vlog. I gotta wash my face. All the things.
Like a face off.
And eat my cookie.
Which one?
I don't know yet. Anyways, we shall see you all tomorrow. Good night.